Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to explain how to use a milk pump in a simple and easy way for mothers who are new to pumping. Using a pump may feel confusing in the beginning, but once you understand the basic steps and create a routine, the process becomes much more comfortable and manageable. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Keeping everything clean is very important for hygiene and safe milk collection. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can relax. Sitting with proper back support can help you stay comfortable during the session. A calm environment often helps the body respond more naturally. Before placing the pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a minute or two. This simple step may help support smoother milk flow and make the session feel easier. Now place the pump correctly so it feels comfortable and creates a proper seal. If you are using an electric pump, begin with a gentle suction level or stimulation mode. If you are using a manual pump, start with slow and steady movements. In the beginning, the flow may not start immediately, and that is completely normal. Your body may need a few minutes to respond, especially if you are still getting used to pumping. Staying relaxed and patient can make a big difference. During the session, try to maintain a comfortable rhythm instead of rushing. A slow and steady approach usually feels better and helps the process go more smoothly. If something feels uncomfortable, pause for a moment and adjust the position or suction level. Small changes can improve comfort and make pumping more effective. Some mothers also use gentle hand support during pumping to help improve flow and comfort throughout the session. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and store it properly if you plan to use it later. Cleaning all pump parts after each use is another important step. Wash them properly, allow them to dry completely, and store them in a clean place for the next session. Building a regular pumping routine can also help over time. Pumping at similar times each day allows your body to adjust and can make sessions easier and more predictable. With practice, patience, and the right technique, using a milk pump becomes easier and more comfortable as part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.